Picture this, your first sip of a drink that stirs your senses awake. The Espresso Tonic is a captivating concoction. It marries the deep, bold essence of freshly brewed espresso with the crisp, effervescent sparkle of tonic water. Begin with a shot of espresso, its rich aroma wrapping around you like a warm blanket. Pour it over a glass filled to the brim with glistening ice, and watch as the dark liquid swirls and dances with the clear, bubbly tonic. When the tonic touches the espresso, something magical occurs. The espresso's bold bitterness collides with the sweet fizz, crafting a delightful contrast that waltzes on your palate. Want to elevate this experience? A vibrant slice of lemon or a fragrant sprig of rosemary adds a zesty punch that takes it to the next level. This drink is not just a refreshment, it's a lively adventure, perfect for sun-soaked afternoons or when you crave a revitalizing lift. Are you ready to elevate your coffee game? The Espresso Tonic is here for you. Dive in, unleash your creativity, and share your unique twists with us. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling coffee inspirations. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.